Hello students, welcome back to our new video session. This video is for class 3. Today we are starting a new chapter number 6, Money, Checkpoint 0. Let's start our question number 1. Count and write the amounts of money. A. So as we can see, the first one is 50 rupee note. We have to add 20 in 50 and the third note is 5 rupee note. So 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 5 is 75. So in the box we will write 7575. Before it you should put rupee sign. B. As we can see, first one is 100 rupee note, then 10 rupee note and the third one is 5 rupee note. So we have to add 100 plus 10 is 110. 110 plus 5 is 115. So in the box we will write rupees 115. 115. C. As we can see, this one is 200 rupee note. So 200 plus 50. So it's 250. So put rupee sign and then write 250. It's 250. Question number 4. Arushi buys an exercise book for rupees 25 and pencil and eraser for rupees 15. How much amount does Arushi spend? The solution. As we know that the cost of exercise book is rupees 25. So our first statement is cost of exercise book is rupees 25. Next, cost of pencils and erasers equals to rupees 15. So we have to find out how much amount Arushi spent. So next statement we will write it as total amount spent by Arushi equals to 25 plus 15. So 5 plus 5 10 will write 0. Carry on. 2 plus 2 4. So total amount spent by Arushi is rupees 40. Question number 5. Ravikant has rupees 95 with him. He buys a storybook for rupees 45. How much money is left with him? So solution. Total amount is rupees 95 and cost of storybook is rupees 45. Now we have to find out how much money is left. Okay. So next we will write total amount left with Ravikant. So 95 minus 45. 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. So total amount left with Ravikant is rupees 50. Checkpoint 1, question number 3. Convert into rupees. So we have to convert paise to rupees. Okay. So first one, A is 50 paisa. So as we all know, 1 rupees equals to 100 paisa. So 1 paisa equals to rupees 1 by 100. So as we have to find out 50 paisa. So 50 paisa equals to dash rupees. So 50 paisa equals to 50 into 1 paisa. So 1 paisa equals to 1 by 100. Okay. So now we will write 50 into 1 by 100 rupees. So 50 into 1 is 50 upon 100 we will write as it is. So we will cut 0. Now as we can see 5 upon 10 is left. So our answer is rupees 0.5. B. 256 paisa. Now we have to convert it into rupees. So paisa to rupees. As we all know, 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. We denote paisa as P. So in the next step we will write 1 paisa equals to rupees 1 by 100. Now we have to find out 256 paisa equals to dash rupees. So for this we will write 256 equals to 256 into 1 paisa. 256 we will write as it is, then 1 paisa equals to 1 by 100 rupees. In the next step, 256 into 1 is 256 upon 100. So as we can see, there are 2 zeros. So we will write first 256 and from right hand side we will count 1, 2, as here 2 zeros. So we will count 1, 2 and then we'll put decimal. So our answer is rupees 2.56. Question number 4. Convert into paise. As we can see, our question is given in rupees. So we have to convert rupees into paise. So A, rupees 0.05. So as we all know, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay. So in the next step we will write 0.05 equals to dash paise. We don't know. So we have to convert it. So again we will write 0.05 rupees equals to 0.05 into 1 rupees. So 0.05 into 1 rupees equals to 100 paisa. So we will write 0.05 into 100 paisa. Now 0.05 rupees equals to, we have to multiply it. Okay, so we will get 500. So as we can see, we had written 0.05 rupees equals to 500 because we have multiplied 0.05 into 100 paisa. So 2. So we will count 1, 2 from right hand side and we'll put decimal. So our answer is 5 paise. Question number 4. Convert into paise. B, rupees 1.50. So we have to convert rupees into paise. So as we all know, 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. So rupees 1.50 equals to dash paise. We don't know, we have to convert it. So in the next step we will write rupees 1.50 equals to 1.50 into rupees 1. So 1.50 into 1 rupees we have written earlier. So 1 rupees is equals to 100 paise. So now we have to multiply it. So once you will multiply it, you will get 1500. And one more 0 because it is written here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Total number of zeros are 3. So we have written 1500, 15,000. Now we have to put decimal. So our answer is 150 paise. So 1.50 into 100 paise. So we got 15,000. So as we can see, the decimal is after 2 digit. So we will count here also 1, 2 and then we have put decimal. So our answer is 150 paise.